Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic arrays commander, how to draw arch. You have this example sketch, and if you want to draw arch, you can type arch, press enter. Now you can specify for the start point. I will click in here, the second point, and then the third point. So it will be create the arch. So you can type arch, press enter, and you can specify for the first point, second point. I will click in here, the third point in this point. You also can create arch by using radius. You can type arch, press enter, first point in it. You can tap A to set for endpoint at this point. Now you can tap R to use a radius, and you can set the radius like I will set into 2,5 and press enter. Okay, that's it for basic arrays commander, how to draw arch. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.